These must be various, I don't know, grinding stones or something. They have these pivoted ends on them. The ends are pivoted mostly, usually. Dimpled, like that. You clean them out, they've got the dimple, and a lot of them have this ridge coming down the middle. And a flat surface too as well. That's another one. This end is pivoted again. Dimpled. A lot of these. Some sort of bowls. That'll even be more when it's cleaned out. Polishers. Some kind. More bowls. Or grinding stones or something. This one here is really old.